Hello, this demonstration is going to be on how to do a spread foot glide. So, standing up nice and tall, you walk your feet out to a comfortable distance. You want to make sure you're pushing outwards with your feet so that you don't allow your feet to roll in and cave. So pushing outwards, taking your hips, you drive your hips backwards as far as you can so you feel that nice stretch in your hamstrings. Let your arms dangle freely. Move your body weight over to one side. Take a big breath in. Exhale. Glide over to the other side. You want to think about keeping your torso on a parallel plane. So you don't go up or down. And the whole time you're pushing your hips backwards as far as you can. Now, if you can't get to the ground, that's totally fine. Right? I'm going to demonstrate a slightly less range movement. So you're up here, you push backwards so you feel that nice hamstring stretch. If this is as far as you go, that is totally fine. Bend the knee, and you want to just make sure you're driving your weight backwards and keeping your torso nice and level. You also don't want to twist while you're doing this. So you're not twisting side to side, keeping yourself square to your hips and pushing your hips back and forth. Make sure you gingerly walk in when you do that because you're going to be stretching your groin and your hamstrings. Have fun.